Our B-Town celebrities are having a major sari moment, and we're not complaining. We saw our beauties donning beautiful saris to events, award functions, and promotions.
So we are back with part 3 of Sari or Sorry, and let's begin with today's episode of
Crush or Crash?
Okay, so first on the list is Shilpa Shetty, and she looks like a fresh breeze of air, I must say. So Shilpa Shetty is wearing this beautiful hand-painted organza sari from Pichika by Urvashi Sethi, and oh my god, what a lovely piece. First of all, I love organza, and organza saris are to live for and live in apparently. They're super comfortable. They're slightly slippery though, but like the feel of it is like, it's like butter, you know.
It's very light on your skin. It's difficult to manage, but it's very light.
And the fact that this piece is hand painted, that makes it like more, what do you say? Expensive, yes, that's true. And Shilpa Shetty, like her body was made for wearing saris, I feel. Like
saris and gowns.
Nobody can carry off a sari like Shilpa Shetty does. So she's paired her organza sari with this beautiful sleeveless white blouse, which I love, because since the sari is sheer and giving that hint of white with the blouse, I think that's a good idea. It's not full sleeved and you can see the beautiful arms and everything, so that's a good thing. And I love those beaded and jeweled necklaces that she's wearing, and like super tiny drop earrings. That's really cute. I love the makeup and those roses in her hair, just complementing the sari in the best way possible. It's a very chic, fresh look, and you know, it's like something I would want to wear. And yeah, I think I love it.
It's so retro, it's so Sharmila Tagore, like that little side band with the white roses. And she's also kept the parting and those little, this kind of turn, and the hair is very old-fashioned in a good way. I also like how she's kept the whole look very dainty and delicate. As Vani said, it's a white, beautiful white sari with the sleeveless blouse. Definitely white is the color of the season. There's nothing like this color when it comes to summers. It's so fresh, and then with the floral print on top is like cherry on top. So I love everything about this look, and I think we both are crushing it. So next on the list is my favorite, Neha Dhupia. So Neha Dhupia is wearing this beautiful outfit from Payal Khandwala, and this is a cape sari combination. So she's wearing this beautiful red cape over a white shirt and a dual tone sari, which is I think a grey and a dark blue. It's an experimental look, and I think I love it. Her eyes are dark, but the makeup's very muted. The lips are just nude with a little gloss on top. The hair is center parted. What I love the most about Neha personally is that white streak. It obviously adds a lot of character to the look. So the only bling factor here is the jewelry that she's added, which is the choker, the stud earrings, and the bracelet. I love the color combination. I love the color play.
I love this look too, but there's one thing, like she said, it's making her look huge. Neha Dhupia, anyway, she is a little heavy, broad.
She's a pear shape.
Whatever fall is happening, and the drape, like although it's beautiful, I love the drape of the sari with the white shirt and the red cape, but I just feel the cape could have been shorter. Like it's too long, and like hands are coming out like this or whatever. It's looking slightly weird to me, but it's a very cool experiment. I love that about Neha.
Neha is all about layering, and if you see, Neha mostly gets styled by Chola, or she wears the Chola label on its own.
Yeah.
And this was actually styled by Chola with the outfits from Payal.
And how she kept her hair very tight, like in a very tight, sleek bun. That's Neha's style, I would say. And the clutch is sort of actually working for me because it's just another color added to the whole look, so I don't really mind. And also talking about linen, that she's wearing a linen sari, so linen has a very raw texture, very raw look, you know, earthy.
I
love that about linens. And she's also like, she always wears organic, or you know, she's all into like sustainable fashion. I really love it, and I think we both are crushing it. Okay, so next on the list is the cute little Kalki. Oh my gosh, I love her. And she's wearing this gorgeous pink tone sari from Tarani Official. So I love the color of the sari, first of all. It's that the different tones of pink, and not that typical pink, you know.
It's that soft pink.
Yeah, like I don't know how to describe it, just you can see it. But so I love that, the color, and the silhouette is very contemporary, like how it's draped and everything. I love the floral print happening. It's very fresh. Yet it's very, I don't know, Indian, how do I put it? I love that it's a very interesting print. Like it's not your typical floral print that you see everywhere. It's not that. And the second thing that I love is that blouse. It's a tiny polka dots and that lace detail on the neck. And the fit of the blouse is also, it's not that typical fitted blouse with fitted sleeves and everything, the torso. And I love the hair, like her hair is tiny. And how can you miss those cute little accessories, that flower, the sun
I
earring.
think it's a sun earring.
Yeah, I think those pointy rays
Yeah,
coming
it's a
out.
sun earring.
And that elephant ring.
That's the cutest thing.
It's so cute. And she has matching jutis with it, so that's also a plus one for me. And I love the makeup. It's very fresh. It's like she literally has nothing on her face except for the lipstick.
I am with Bani on this. It's a sari in a very contemporary style. How she styled it with the blouse, the haircut, which is not conventional at all. Her usual no makeup look where she goes, I don't even think she needs makeup, but she only goes for these like pouty blush lip color, like pink blush lips, and she'll go for like mascara on her eyes, a little pink on the cheeks, and she's good to go. The only thing that is a little off about the look is the jutti, which I think is my personal opinion. I would have liked it with something more, anything like a block heel or something to get more height, but I think it's just the picture. Kalki anyway is very tall. So yeah, overall I think it's a very well styled look. It reflects Kalki's personality. I can see the character, so I'm loving it, and I think we both are crushing it. So next on the list is Alia Bhatt. You know Bani outfit देख के मुझे क्या लग रहा है, जब आप किसी पार्टी से या शादी से वापस आके जब आप उतारते हो ना, ये उसकी क्लिक है, इतना it's just blah, हाँ incomplete है. And I don't like the sari. It's a multicolored sari from Tarun Teliani, and she was styled by Ami Patel. Ami, it's not yummy. Na dost na ho pa rang se. I mean, there's nothing. What do I say? It's such a
seamless
blah.
blouse, a multicolored sari, which we don't like clearly.
And that's a little tiny mang tika. I don't know. But बेचारे को क्यों रखा है वहाँ पे?
I understand, like in one of the past looks she did wear a little manti and it worked,
But there's so much happening now.
Yeah, but like this is just a little blah actually.
I mean, if you wanted to do this sari, she could have gone for like maybe hair open or something to her hair with a nice choker or something in the neck. कान खाली रख लेते. In fact, वो मांग टिका मुझे ज़्यादा useless लग रहा है. It looks like कि set पहना था, उतार के रखा है, and then she posed. Then there is nothing, no makeup, no rings, nothing. Matlab, it's just a very blank look. I think even Alia was tired of the molten kalank. You know, even when you're trying to go slightly more mature with your look, style it. This whole trying too hard to look young on the top and go for a very authentic traditional print sari with this red and green color. It's a very mummy color, guys. It's a very mature color. So if you want to go like that, then pura traditional jao. Maybe a nice band with gajra, bindi, or something in the neck. Or maybe just jhumka gale mein nahi pehante would have looked so much better. Abhi, it is such a off look. It just looks incomplete. So
we both are
crashing it.
Okay, so next in the list is Janhvi Kapoor, and she's wearing this red Georgette sari by Manish Malhotra. ये मनीष को क्या हो गया है? इतना simple कपड़ा कुछ बच गया था तो बना दिया. I don't know, but this is a very surprising thing for me.
For a second, I really didn't understand when you said Manish. What Manish?
अपना मनीष. अपना मनीष.
आदत नहीं है ना बिना चश्मे के उसके कपड़ों को देखने की.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So the sari features this beautiful golden border, and I like that. But like sari, I feel is too plain for me. I know it's a Georgette sari, but thoda like the drape, if the pallu would had been like pleated or something, that would have like sort of made a better impact for me. Since it's like completely open, so it's just like fabric just wrapped around the body. So that's something that I don't like. But apart from that, I love that cute little orange blouse that she's wearing. I think that's working perfectly for her body, and the Amrapali necklaces that she's done over that beautiful blouse that is just adding to it, I would say. So I love that. And in today's look, this particular look, I love the hair.
I think this is looking beautiful for me. She's looking regal in a Georgette sari, which is quite difficult because Georgette is a very common fabric, and it has no embroidery, there's no heavy work, it's not even a very heavy flashy like a heavy fabric. It's just a plain Georgette with a patla golden border. Still, this entire look is like I think it's the first time I'm saying that for Janvi. She looks like a painting. She's kept her eyes just mascara and like I think very fine liner, but that kind of gives a very I wouldn't say a fresh look, but a very soft look. The two-tiered emerald neck pieces from Amrapali just do justice to the look. I think it just completes it. So for me, overall, this is a beautiful look and I am crushing it.
I'm in the middle.
So now we have Kajol, Kajol Devgan. She's wearing this weird saree from Shivan and Niresh, and now I'm gonna like give her like a super crash on this saree because it's horrible. Firstly, stark white and red. Durga Puja mein thodi na ja rahi
Where जैसे bangles को convert कर दी साड़ी में.
That white is such a bad lace. उसके बाद red, stark red is in the pleats also, and then blouse का cut is not flattering at all. And what is that button? You go near the shopping tags. You'll be beeping everywhere you want. You need to get this off.
True.
So everything's very off about this look. The only thing I like is her makeup and her hair. That looks really nice. Her cold eyes, brown lips, the hair's center parted and clean, kept behind. She's a stunning woman, so there is no problem. She looks beautiful.
Like
but why?
I don't know.
I like the neck pieces, but it has nothing to do with the saree.
Exactly.
Like nothing to do with the saree. Pata nahi kyun, I mean, hair to pehn liya. It's such a beautiful piece that she's wearing.
They were trying to save the outfit with the neck piece, but clearly it did not work.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, because the outfit is a flop. Like, why that? The red looks like a costume wala red color.
Durga Puja ka wo dhuni dance she'll start.
And I feel the color is not complementing her skin tone. Could have gone for something different, I feel. I just don't know. It's not a great look.
You know, Kajol's Bengali, right?
No.
Right. So she hasn't come out of the Durga Puja feel, or she dressed for it a little too early.
Yeah, probably.
So
yeah, we both are definitely
crashing this look. Horrible this is.
Okay, so last on the list is Aditi Rao Hedri, and she's wearing this beautiful sari jumpsuit by Tarun Tahiliani. And what is there not to like, Aparna? I love everything about this look. First of all, the color combination. Again, it's a golden and black. You can't go wrong with that. So, okay. And the second, the silhouette, the pattern. I love the whole drape thingy happening on the jumpsuit, because when you look at the top half, it looks like a sari with a pallu, you know, with a bandeau blouse or something. And when you look at the lower half of the sari, it's pants with the drape. So that's very interesting. I love how it's a different and interesting take on a sari. Like, people do that, you know, the drape with the trouser thingy, like a leg coming out, but this is like completely different. I love her, you know, sleek ponytail. It gives a nice shape to her face. And love the earrings and beautiful makeup. Like Aditi, like anyway, she doesn't need makeup.
I like how the gold was used very smartly. There's just a hint of it. If you see, it's just the cheetah.
It's like dusted glitter.
Dusted glitter. Oh, love the word. So it's like dusted glitter just on the drape. So basically it's a jumpsuit and the drape is just a design element that comes over and goes over one shoulder. Then he's kept the other shoulder bare, which I actually like, because if you see the top half with sari, it also gives you like a gown effect. So imagine it's a jumpsuit, a sari and a gown. It's like a nice combination that I can see. I only have a problem with the belt that they've used. I like the cinch. We needed it, of course. We need something on the waist. But how I wish the belt was from the same fabric of the drape. That leather is kind of standing out, especially when you do traditional jewelry. So everything extremely, how do I say, like looks expensive. It's like everything's a luscious fabric or has a nice shine to it, and suddenly that leather
is too sasta.
Yeah, it suddenly doesn't belong to the family. Other than that, I love the look. I love how she's worn traditional jhumkis with that whole contemporary pantsuit sari. So yeah, I think overall it's not a bad look at all, and Aditi looks stunning. So I think we both are crashing it. So that's it for the episode, guys. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure you like it. Also, let us know who was your favorite in the comment section below.
And while you do that, do not forget to check out the POPxo shop. We've got some really cool merchandise like laptop sleeves, cushion covers, mugs, and a lot more. So just click on the link in the description box and go shop now.
And for more styling tips, fashion hacks, fun challenges, and news on celebrity looks, keep watching POPxo TV.